We can come to smash the gate at the red ring, Lord Dog.
Yeah,
Come
just
here.
hang on. Just hold. Dismount. Yeah, I'm walking in now. I'm walking in from your... Walking. Come to the crown, guys. Dismount. Find the fucking crown. Wake up. Yo, start hitting this east gate. Hit the southeast gate. Yo, I can get a flank if you just give me a minute to hit this gate. It's at 70% already. Yo, guys, step up and start hitting the southeast gate. They can't hit us here, please. Guys, listen to me. Hit the fucking gate.
มันตีประตูนี่วะ There's only 5 people can smash.
Yeah. There's a wall as well, though. Second stage now. Keep killing guards if you can. Okay, all my rig is back. Mighty, just hit the same spot as me, okay? Because if we get flanked, we need to just wipe the flank fast and then reposition base one front, yeah? Yeah, it's okay. Come east. I'm flanking now. Yeah. Where am I going? Yo, come out this, tap out this. Yeah.
นี่เราดัก
Hit
ห
this
ลัง
thing.
คา
Hit the gate. Hit the gate and kill the mage. Hit the gate and the walls and kill the mage. I'm on the east side now, okay? Hitting the walls and the gate, guys. Keep hitting. Yeah. Keep hitting. Heal up. Kill the mage and the guards and keep hitting the game.
There's another wall on the left. If you free, you can smash it on the left.
Yeah. Smashing the walls, guys.
Because there's a maximum limited.
Made us behind you guys.
We're about to full siege them now. Watch out, clerics. Okay, now walking. Yeah, I'm walking in. Then we're gonna hit up the stairs west now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit up this. We just wiped a bunch. Yo, get ready. Cleansers, get ready for cleansers. They're gonna look to engage. We're gonna look for spread on this northeast. Yeah. Nice. I'm hugging the northeast wall. You guys, hug the northeast wall. Don't chase. Hug the northeast wall. I think they're wiped. We kill the mage now. Yeah. We're gonna kill the mage. Yo, come in and kill the mage. Yo, we're gonna hit under the mage tower now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill everything under the mage tower. Now heals. Now kill the mage. Start killing the mage. Drop duties and start killing the mage. Yo, I'm down. Don't let me get executed, guys. Someone switch to revive and pick me up. And just hold and stabilize. Yo, you can wipe them under the tower, Papi. Papi, wipe them under the tower. There's only like 10 people left, okay? All my guys in northeast wall. They're trying to run. Yo, just someone switch to revive and pick me up. Yo, I'm gonna get executed. Don't let me get executed. Someone switch to revive and pick me up. No. Enemies wiped. There's only like 4 of them there right now, okay? Yo, just revive me, okay? You can see, revive me. Thank you. Okay, yo, stabilize here. Yo, we're gonna full engage on the mage, okay? Come. We're gonna full engage on the mage. Papi, I'm gonna engage on the mage. I'm gonna full engage on the mage now in 3, 2, 1. Full engage on the mage now. Full engage on the mage. Now come back. No. Let Mighty full engage on the mage. No, they're not there. Full engage. Yo, give heals to our allies. Give heals to our allies. Heal our allies. Heal our allies. Heal our allies. Heal the purples. Now come at east. Now, Papa, you go. Everyone come east. Everyone stack on the east wall. Everyone stack on the east wall. Everyone stack on the east wall. Stack on the east wall. Stack. Come out, guys. Stack on the east wall. You're gonna die. If you die, you're not getting re-geared. I'll fucking screenshot your names. Come east wall. Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good. Should die. Okay, good. Okay. Yo, everyone stay there. I'm gonna go in and launch. Everyone stay there. I'm gonna just walk in and launch. Okay. Everyone stay there. I'm walking into launch. Holy shit. Okay. Everyone come out east. Come out east. Come out southeast.